It was another hot and dry day out in the field, which makes it
That's a
tough for the
girl.
pups to get their noses on birds and trust their noses when they do get there. By 9 this morning, I was in short sleeves already. Just to show you how tough it was for the pups to put their noses on birds, I'm going to start off with this clip where Lily goes on point, and the birds are about 10 yards away from the point. Add to this that the birds are running also, and it can get frustrating for the pups. Even when they did get a good point, sometimes they'd flush the birds because they didn't trust their noses or they thought the birds were running. Tip number one for the day: always have a live round in the chamber if you're going to shoot at something you want to
Lily
kill.
here.
Watch the confusion in Lily here. She pops ahead but can still smell birds. Eventually, she sends up a couple roosters, and I get one.
Oh, oh. Whoa. That's a good girl. Whoa.
Lily's last 2 points of the day were outstanding. She got this rooster here, and later you're going to see a chukar that she pins down.
Ooh. It's a chukar.
Unfortunately for Charlie, who was my best hunter with the best nose, he never got a point. He tripped up the single hen that I eventually got. Tori demonstrates again how tough the conditions were. There is a hen and a
Oh, that's a
rooster
good
in this
girl.
clip, and she can't
That's a
figure out
good
what they
girl.
are doing. Of course, part of the bird survival tactics is confusing predators, and they're pretty successful at it. The hen is actually in that bush right there that Tori passes up.
Whoa. 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 That's a good girl.
Thankfully, I remembered to
That's a
reload
good
quickly here.
girl. Come here. All right, we'll get it. We'll get it. Ah, that's a good girl. That's a good girl.
I had my limit by this time, so the rest of the hunt was just fun looking for birds.
Oh, that's a good girl. Look at those three doggies all pointing at the bird. Those are good dogs. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh. All right.
Tori found this rooster in the thicket, and she also stumbled over these chukars. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy your next hunt.